Do you wish to speed up charging on your Android phone? In this video, we'll provide you with some tips. First up, activate airplane mode when you're pressed for time or need a quick charge. Swipe down the Quick Toggles menu and enable airplane mode. This will expedite the charging process as your phone won't be connected to the internet or running background apps. Alternatively, if airplane mode isn't an option, avoid using your phone while charging to minimize power consumption. Next, make sure you're using a suitable wall outlet to charge your device. Refrain from using a power bank or computer. Smartphone brands specify the charging wattage based on the device's performance. Therefore, using your phone's charger will undoubtedly facilitate faster charging. Furthermore, it's advisable to use the charger provided in the phone's box. Some smartphone brands may not include chargers in the box. If that's the case, using a PD charger for your smartphone should be beneficial. Finally, keep your phone away from direct sunlight and consider placing it near a fan to maintain optimal temperature conditions. These tips will surely help you charge your Android phone faster. Don't overlook subscribing to Guiding Tech and exploring one of these videos for extra tech enjoyment.